Are you tired of losing money on the stock market or the foreign exchange market? Do you wish there was a more easier and profitable way to trade? Introducing AvaTrade, one of the leading online trading platforms that's trusted by millions of traders. With AvaTrade, you'll gain access to a wide range of trading instruments, including forex, stocks, commodities, and more. AvaTrade also provides the latest tools and resources, including real-time market analysis, advanced charts, and trading signals. You can even trade on the go with the AvaTrade mobile app, making it really easy to connect to all your trades in one app. But that's not all. AvaTrade offers many benefits that set them apart from other trading platforms. AvaTrade offers something called AvaProtect, and it's a feature that lets you protect your trades from sudden market fluctuations, giving you peace of mind and reducing your risk of losses. The AvaTrade Go app offers a user-friendly interface that's easy to use, even for beginners. And with the Education Center, you can learn everything you need to know to become a successful trader. The AvaSocial feature allows you to connect with other traders and share your insights, tips, and strategies. You can even copy other traders that you wish to follow and check their win rate using the copy trading feature. Start trading the smart way and join AvaTrade now using the link in the description of this video, and you'll unlock all the benefits of AvaTrade.